Hello everyone, are you tired of struggling with casting repairs, or maybe you have been searching for the right machine to revamp your dies molds and press tools? Perhaps you have been dreamed to starting your own in-house production for laser welding. If so, your search is over. Meet our expert Mr. Marcus from Alpha Laser Germany and our technical team from Laser Technologies India. These industry leaders are ready to share their knowledge and experience with you. From precise welding to intricate laser marking and efficient cleaning, laser technology can revolutionize your manufacturing process. On 2nd September, we are inviting you to our Customer Experience Center in Chakan, Pune for an interactive session. Let's shape the future of your manufacturing together. Thank you.